I ain't tryna buy what they selling, no way. Even if they bribe, I'ma tell them no way. I be on my job, yeah, I'm on it all day. And if you getting by, go ahead, do it your way. I ain't tryna buy what they selling, no way.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, The Nash Way. If this is your first time here, thank you for clicking on my video. And if it is not and you're just a returning family member, thank you for tuning back in. Today's video is going to be on how we put on our eyelash extensions, the falsie strip, not the individuals. But if you want me to make a video on the individuals, I can, because I have worn those before and they're basically the same thing. But today we're just going to use our Tarte eyelashes, and these are the heartbreaker ones, and I love them so much. You can use any eyelashes that you want to either practice with or just get the ones that you actually want to wear, because I know that when I was first learning how to put on eyelash extensions, falsies, whatever, it was a job. And it took me forever because I can only really do one eye, and it was so stressful, and I would just give up and just be like, I'm just gonna wear mascara because it is what it is. But anyways, let's go ahead and get into this video. We are definitely going to need eyelash glue, tweezers, and mascara. So remember, those are your top 3 things. And the eyelash glue, before we even start, the one that I use is the Tarte Pro in black. And it's right here. I absolutely love this glue. The reason why I get the black one is just because I tend to wear eyeliner a lot, and I just feel that I hate seeing like the clear one and like the blue tacky white thingy residue that it gives us, and I just don't like it. So that's why I use the black one. You can use the clear one, you can use whatever it is that you want. You don't have to use this glue, but I do recommend it because your eyelashes stay on all freaking day, and it's amazing. But let me show you how amazing it is when we put on these lashes. So let's go. So what you're gonna wanna do first is put mascara on your eyelashes just so that you can get that nice top coat. And you don't need a lot, you guys, just like a little bit of a layer and you'll be fine. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and put glue on my eyelash. Okay, so the glue is on our eyelash, and I'm just gonna let it air dry and blow a little bit so that it can get tacky, so that we can go ahead and apply it on our eyes. Okay, so now that our eyelash is nice and ready and tacky and dry, we're gonna go ahead and apply the eyelash in the middle first, and then we're gonna take the inner corner and bring that in, and then the outer corner and bring it in. So it's in the middle, and we're gonna go ahead and take the corner . Okay, so that one's on, and that one has to like obviously dry a little bit because the glue needs to dry on your lash line, and that's where I like to put my eyelash. You don't want to put it on your skin. You just don't. You want to put it on your lash line. So we're gonna let that . So we're gonna let that dry. And I like to not touch it too much while it's drying, just because it'll mess up the drying process, and then you're gonna have to take off your eyelash and do it all over again, and it's super stressful when you have to do that. I'm gonna go ahead and do that same thing on this side. Okay, so our eyelashes are clearly on. What I'm gonna do now is go ahead and take mascara and just put a little bit again on the eyelashes so that they do blend, and I'm gonna go ahead and put mascara on my bottom lash line. literally, I'm over here trying to not make mistakes. And look at that. Okay guys, let me try to not mess up the other side because we don't want mascara getting on our eye, and I'm gonna go ahead and fix that after I do this other one, just in case it happens again. Okay, you guys, our eyelashes are clearly on, and I hope that this video helped you learn how to put on your eyelash extensions, your falsies, and I hope that it was easy for you guys to understand. I hope you guys like this video, comment, subscribe, and share with your friends, and make sure to tune in to my next video, which will be on Sunday because I post Sundays, Tuesdays, and Fridays. So thanks for watching The Nash Way.
Who do you idolize? What's your future endeavors? Oh, I